Okay, so I'm repairing the front of my camper. I've used the joggler to make a lap joint on the original panel, and this repair panel sat on the lap. I've then used the other side of the joggler tool, which is a punch, to punch holes along the new panel, and I'm using a MIG welder just to weld these back in place. You can see here I've got two welding clamps, and I've actually put a bit of copper tube just across here because these are actually quite heavy and they're distorting the panel as I'm clamping them in place. And then I'm just doing one dot at a time and just taking it nice and easy to avoid any heat distortion. So we had a good day yesterday getting all this panel back in. Before I put the inner support panel back in, I just wanted to check that the window fitted, so I've put the window back in. And I was more interested in this corner here. So this support panel has got to be welded in place, and I wasn't sure about this corner here, so it looks like it's the support panel on this side that's not got the right angle, because the window fits in nicely. So now I can take the window out again and weld this panel in. You can see there's a bit of a gap. I didn't really know where the gap was, whether the gap was in this was too high or this was too low, but I think once that's welded together that will be okay. So this is our inner support panel. Quality wasn't as good as the outer panel, but it's as good as it gets. I've actually had to cut it in half to even fit it. At the bottom edge of this panel, it should have gone deeper and been spot welded in between this and the front vent, but it wasn't actually long enough, so I've made my own panel, as you saw in the last clip, which was welded along here, and then I can weld again to that panel I put in. So I had to use a little bit of filler on the lap joint on the front, and then I did manage to throw the camper back together with a new wiring loom just in time to take the kids back to school for the first day of their new term, as their tradition has been. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and thank you for watching.